Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. So today is Thursday. It's June 20, 2024. Right now it's 10:08 p.m. It's a somewhat kind of special in many sense because we have like a Wednesday is a holiday, so the market closed, but the futures market continue to open. So you can see the Wednesday, the futures market going big up and down, and it's kind of like like a less than, like about 10 points, okay? But the thing is, the market sort of like closed up somewhat, and then continue on the Wednesday night, and you can see that after that choppiness, despite it somewhat kind of like kind of close at the middle, I would say, and then when it opened, it came down a bit, but it barely kind of tested low. Then we see that market kind of keep moving up, and if you notice here is after it's crossing the center of Wednesday, it pretty much gonna never look back and get, I mean, in terms of retracement, it have not really come back below this mid level here. This is the high, the middle of the high and the close. So and it went to kind of 55.88. So that's kind of up 28 points, and it's after that it kind of came back down, and it just said it came back down too much. So it finally broke below this midpoint level, and then make things even worse, I would say, is because it dropped below like more than like 19 points, and that's kind of like a giving back like the entire day's move on Wednesday. Not Wednesday, on Tuesday. So that's the range of Tuesday, and it's very interesting to see that the market open when when the market opened SPX, basically it gap up by 19 points. It's actually 19.06, which is the range that it had on Tuesday, and then that kind of come back down a bit and then come back up again, and this is kind of like this is kind of like from the close. This like from the close to the to kind of close is 54.87. So this pretty much, that's 55.05. That's the that's how much that it went up. So yeah, sorry, the gap up actually is like a 12 point, like about 13 points. It's not 19 points, and that's confused me a little bit earlier. But this 55.05 and 53. That's right below that 19 points push from the close of yesterday. And then it keep pushing down and make new low to here, and basically when it get down to here, basically it's pretty much back to close the gap and about the closing level of our previous day, and basically kind of give back order again, and it come again, but it was able to penetrate above this this middle level, but it was not able to stay there, stay above there, and eventually after chopping here, it actually kind of like making a sort of making a decision. The range here is like the sort of like this between this middle level and go up by like 19 points. That's about here. That's right below 5,500, and then of course from here to, well, we can look at this is the opening level. The first minute opening level is kind of like right below here. It's between that range. Have been chopping and trying to figure out directions, and later it broke down, and it's unimaginable that it moved that fast and that far. So it keep kind of pushing down, and this one is like a 50 push all the way down to what is a 54.63 level. So that actually went below this middle level and then go another kind of 19 points, and so it's not done. It come back, spike back up to the middle of yesterday, and then but it's not done yet. It keep kind of pushing it down, and it went all the way to 54.55 ish, and then have very fast and push back up and get back all the way to 54.85, and that's a lot. And then from there, then it basically have another push down here and another push down here, so one push and then come back and another push, and for the close it come back to this middle level, and then but it was not able to sustain there. So later kind of around this spot, and this is about somewhere between the middle of the top here, 54.85, and this is a 54.61 ish. Okay, so it's a very choppy and volatile, and yeah, definitely it's not easy to ride along with it. So today's move total is like 49 and 97. We can call it like 50 points in move today. What does that mean? My take for tomorrow is that it could coming back up, trying to push above this 55.05 55 level, the all-time high. And if say it can do that, then likelihood we could see this level going back up to 55.25 level. So it could be targeting that level. And on the downside, it definitely could penetrate below this 54.55 level, or I mean, we can say this 54.50 level, and then could go further down to this 54.25-ish level. So it would be interesting to see that how this is going to go. As we know from today's perspective, it's today's center and yesterday's center actually is the same spot. It's kind of around this 54.80 level, and I thought it's going to close around this level, and it's really getting really close. It actually last 1 or 2 minutes actually pushed above this 54.80 level, but it chose to close up below here. Well, so I mean, based on the close, it's kind of like the bearish, and for sure tomorrow we can see that it could either go to again 54.25 or 55.25. And from the in terms of the calendar, so Friday, the first one is 9:45. That's a S&P Global data, like a PMI flash. And 10 o'clock have the existing home sales, and then also have a leading, like a Chicago board, like a leading index. And also 10:30 have a natural gas stock, and then at 1 o'clock have the Baker Hughes oil rig count. So that's all. And so today, this week also quad switching day, and it's there may be as evidence today, and it seems like with such big up and down move, that seems like lots of like a undercurrents going on, and tomorrow may likely continue to be the case. So wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.